Ako po si Felix Marada, DTF operator ng DTF machine dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. May 91 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean, punasan ang wiper after head clean, nozzle check, ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank narinis nung Friday. Use ink, unused ink, film, workload, inventory, weekly consumable. Ito yung nagamit sa cleaning solution. 30 cm film, cyan, magenta, yellow, white ink, powder, black. Daily checklist. Maraming salamat po.